Many people own some sort of pet during their lifetime. The main reason people decide to get a pet is for the companionship or to have someone that will love you no matter what. Yet what a lot of people do not know is that these animals can provide health benefits that could be life-changing. As a person that grew up in a household with pets and eventually owning my own pet, I've experienced many of the things I found myself. I have researched this topic and I've found some interesting things that I will share with you today. The benefits of owning a pet can last a lifetime. From childhood to adulthood, there are different assets that come with owning a pet, and these benefits can be both mental and physical. There are differences in the advantages in having a pet between adults and children, and the benefits children receive can affect their life later in adulthood. There are multiple health advantages to having a pet in the household with children while they are growing up. Children who grow up in a home with pets have many different physical advantages to their health. According to Dr. James E. Gurn, a pediatrician at the University of Wisconsin-Madison, children who grow up with a pet, especially a furry pet, are less likely to have allergies and suffer from asthma. Dr. Gurn did a study with babies, and he found results that support his statement. The infants who had a pet in their house showed less signs of eczema, which is an allergy skin disease, and other evidence of stronger immune systems. According to Dr. Marty Becker, a veterinary consultant for Good Morning America, the dander from the fur on the animals acts as a natural immunotherapy for the children. He says that this suggests that the more pets you have, the less allergies the children will have. Dr. Becker also states that this does not affect adults. The pets will only have an effect on the children. So if an adult tries to go get a pet, they will not find the same results as that only has that effect on children in their early lifetime. This is my cat Alice, and she is a long-haired cat, and long-haired cats have more dander than short-haired cats. So if you're wanting to reduce the number of allergies that your kids could have, long-haired cats might be better because the more dander should result in less allergies. There are also different mental benefits to having a pet as a child. Dr. Becker stated that one study found that kids who are exposed to pets in their homes went to school 3 weeks more per school year than kids who do not have pets. This is a substantial amount of time that kids are missing school just because they are not exposed to the dander in the pet's fur. Children with different disorders also experience their own benefits from owning pets. Pets play a role in the development of children's emotions. Children with attention deficit disorder, or ADHD, and autism both experience advantages from having a pet. For kids with ADHD, the pets provide a routine and allow the children to focus on taking care of the pet and use those responsibilities for the children. For autism, pets allow the kids to have sensory contact by petting the animal. And this type of behavior and sensory contact soothes the children with autism. Children experience multiple benefits from having a pet, and adults experience important benefits as well. Adults that own pets later in life experience important health advantages that are somewhat different than the benefits children receive. Adults who have pets have an advantage when it comes to taking care of their heart and their blood pressure. Dr. Becker states that adults who own a cat are 30% less likely to have a heart attack and 40% less likely to have a stroke. There have been different studies that have shown results of pets lowering their owner's blood pressure. The pets calm their owners down and make them feel at ease. There is also evidence that adults who have experienced heart attacks or are at risk will survive longer if they have a pet, and men who own pets are less likely to have heart disease and elevated cholesterol levels. Just like children, adults experience mental health advantages from owning a pet as well. Pets have been shown to improve the mood and decrease stress levels in adults. People who own pets generally have more laughter in their life and feel less alone, which is beneficial for their overall mood. According to Dr. David Stack, a medical doctor and the CEO of Promises Treatment Centers, pets are used in treatment centers to lower the stress of patients. Dr. Sachs said he even recommends patients get a pet and they allow them in their own treatment centers because of the benefits they have on the patients. Animals have also been known to reduce tension in adults and can help with mild and moderate depression. One study found people who have AIDS and own a pet have lower rates of depression. According to Dr. Becker, pets can also help reduce anxiety, which in turn reduces pain. Adults who have chronic pain, such as migraines or arthritis, can benefit from owning a pet because there is evidence that the pets will help reduce the pain in these chronic pain situations. Both children and adults experience many benefits and different benefits from owning a pet. Pets not only provide unconditional love, but they can also provide numerous health benefits that can have a large impact on an individual's life. This is a chart of the health benefits for children that I had talked about. They have less allergies, less risk of asthma, more time spent at school, and it helps their emotional development. And this is a poster for the health benefits of adults. They have lower blood pressure, helps with heart attack patients, reduces anxiety and pain, reduces stress, and they are less likely to have a heart attack or stroke. So when thinking about the future and your child's health, or your health, maybe it would be a wise decision to consider having a pet so you can have these benefits as well.